Hey Planner Babes, it's Mandy from Create with Mandy, and I'm going to be flipping through this new Out for Adventure sticker book from the Happy Planner. This is part of their back to school launch, and this will be out on Friday, April 23rd at 9 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. I'll have it all linked below, as well as the other videos I've done, unboxings, and the two other sticker books I got. I'll do the flip throughs of those too, and the links will be down below. Also, if you do plan on purchasing this one, I'd really appreciate it if you use my affiliate link. That is below as well, as usual, and I'd really appreciate that. So here you go. This is so cute. I love this one so much. It's perfect for summer. I mean, it's perfect for a lot of things, but summer especially. I mean, come on, these colors, the tropical vibes. I mean, there was another collection recently in the fall line that was tropical as well, but this is totally different, and I just love this so much. Look at these new shapes, so cute. The colors are perfect, and there's some really cute girl illustrations, and there's some more girl stickers later on. They're just so cute. And some of these are a little more student specific, like study night and due today and free time, but the study night, it's like on the right side of the sticker, so you could easily layer like a box sticker right over top of the study night, and you'd still see the cute girl and the palm trees, and then you could write something else in there. So it's really easy, or it's going to be really easy to cover up what you don't want and keep what you do. Some cute boxes. I love the size and the colors and the illustrations. Oh, just so cute. And then in the middle of the page, and the last few pages as well, are these really cute little headers. Take note, finish up, and look at those little arrows. I mean, come on, they're so cute. Weekly assignments. This one, again, it's easy to cover up that top section and then just use it as like a box to write, your to-dos and stuff. Another page of those. And another page. So we've kind of got a couple different themes. You got some colors, and then you got these full image in the background. Oh, honey. Did you guys hear her? She went, So here we go. Here's that background image that's in the back of this box. But this is kind of a new shape too. So cute. Again, the colors. Love them. Some little washi type strips and some weekend plans. These are a little more student specific, but we'll see how we can incorporate them. Some good boxes. I love these, and that fun scallop at the top. Some more of them. Some washi. Love these. So cute. All three of them. They're all super cute. Equally cute, all of them. I just love them. Some circle stickers. This has gold foil, and I love a good circle sticker and layering those with stuff. Free time, me time, get it done, work hard, weekend fun. Ooh, coffee time and study time. Oh, they have different things throughout. Okay. Me time, test today. Super cute. You can easily use the ones that apply to you, like coffee time, maybe instead of study time, but you could also just cover up the words. Here's some really student specific ones, but again, the bullet points are versatile. And then of course they give you some blank ones too, so that's good. And then these are great. You get a ton on there. I think you can see it. You got some squares on the left and then some dots on the right. So cute, and you get them in all of these colors. Love those. Some little I guess they're speech bubbles with the birds, but those are so cute. And then we get into the decorative stickers. So of course you get all the birds, the girls. So these are my favorite, and you get them in big and slightly smaller. So love those. They are just so cute. And then, of course, we get some of the palm trees and palm fronds or whatever, but those are super cute. And then here's a more student-specific page, but definitely can work if you're a mom, or I don't know. I think I'm just going to use them maybe in the fall, or in the season, and just kind of mark it off. So spring break, summer, fall, and winter break, and they're all super cute. And then some quotes, which are all versatile, no student specific ones in there. Same with this page, so cute. And then here we go, a little more student specific, so like due today, but you could obviously use that in your everyday life. Same with free time. Here's the ones, assignment and project. Definitely a little bit harder to use those if you're not, you know, a student, but possibly for work you might need them. Or since these are clear, you can easily just cut off that word and then use the little palm trees or palm fronds. So easy way to make them work for you. And same with this page. If you don't need study time, you can just cut off the study time and use the cute little birds. Reading, that's a good one though, because I'm sure that applies if you're reading a book or whatever. So anyway, that is the whole Out for Adventure Value Pack sticker book, 30 pages. So cute. I love it so much. I will have it linked down below for you, and this launches on Friday, April 23rd. And look down below for the other flip throughs if you want to check those out, and my unboxing and all that. So thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and hope to see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.